Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to start our writing, and then tomorrow you are going to do a craft that's going to attach to our writing. So you're going to use the paper that says, I loved kindergarten because, and then I would like you to tell me why you loved kindergarten. What did you love about this year? Maybe it was being on Zoom and playing some games. Maybe it was meeting new people. Even though you weren't with them in person, you still probably met a few new people that you didn't know. Maybe you really loved reading. Maybe you really loved writing, or a small reading group. There's so many things that you could love. Maybe you loved that you did kindergarten from the comfort of your own home, and that's okay. So I want you to write, I loved kindergarten because. Why did you love kindergarten? And I want you to finish this sentence, but then I want you to write at least one more sentence. So you're going to have two sentences on this paper. Why did you love that part about kindergarten? What did you love about kindergarten, and why did you love that part? After you write your sentences, I want you to draw a picture that goes along with your writing. So if you said that you loved kindergarten because you loved learning math, your picture is going to have something to do with you learning math. Maybe you loved kindergarten because you got to do it from your couch. So your picture is going to be you sitting on the couch with your computer. And that's okay. I would have loved being from home too. And that was a big part of your year. You did it from home. But tell me why. I loved doing kindergarten from my couch because it was more comfortable than a hard chair. Because I got to stay at home with my pets. I loved learning math because it was fun, because I really like math. I loved reading because I'm good at reading and I enjoyed reading new books. So many different things. So tell me what you loved, why you loved it, and then draw a picture that goes along with it. And then I'll meet you back here tomorrow to tell you how to make your craft that goes along with it.